I now earnestly request Honorable Minister of Railways, Bangladesh, His Excellency Mohammad Nurul Islam Sultan, to say a few words on this occasion.
Thank you. His Excellency Mr. Rashtrapati Vaishnav, Minister for Railways, Communication, Electronics and Information Technology, Government of Bangladesh, Government of India, representatives from Ministry of Railways, Government of India, and Deputy High Commissioner of Bangladesh in New Delhi, Respected Secretary, Ministry of Railways, Bangladesh, His Excellency Mr. Pranay Verma, High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, officials from Ministry of Railways, Government of Bangladesh and Bangladesh Airways, distinguished guests, electronics and print media partners. Ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon and welcome to you all. In the beginning of this ceremony, I would like to remember our great leader, Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. We sadly recall the untimely demise of our Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The Father of the Nation, with most of the family members on 15th August 1975. We also deeply mourn the martyrs of Bangladesh and India during the War of Liberation. Honorable Minister, I would like to remember the cordial hospitality and warm reception by you when I visited India in June 2022 on your invitation. On the meeting held on 1st June 2022, we discussed about many aspects of cooperation in the railway sector between two friendly countries, where we discussed the supplying some locomotives to Bangladesh Railway in order to enhance the traveling trade and business between two countries. Later on, when our Honorable Prime Minister, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, visited India on 5 to 8 September 2022, where both the Prime Minister discussed various issues, including modernization of Bangladesh Railway, building infrastructure, border connectivity, and ICT-based signaling system, etc., and asked for locomotives to be provided to Bangladesh Railway on grant. Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency Sri Narendra Modi, gave cordial consent about the matter and also signed two memorandum of understanding between the Ministry of Railways, Railway Board of India and the Ministry of Railways of Bangladesh in the area of training of Bangladesh Railway personnel in India and on collaboration in IT systems and also